K to the E to the K, nah, nah, nah. Kike. Boss, if you see every time what to do, don't miss any time when you gotta go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing. I know it has been a while, but anyway, I'm back. So this video is an earring video and I'm going to be doing this particular earring. Actually, this was a video request that I got like a long time ago, and I never did it, but I always kept it at the back of my mind, and I finally got to do it today, and I'm quite pleased with the results. So I'm hoping that whoever requested this video sees it. I'm really hoping. So if you'd like to see how to make your own African print earrings like these ones, then just keep on watching the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do is to take out my interfacing. I'm using this interfacing, like the really thick one, but you don't really have to use the thick one, or you don't have to use interfacing at all actually, but I just used it so that my earring will have some sort of like shape and thickness and a bit of weight to it. So I'm using this sort of like round thing. It's actually just a plastic lid of a container, and then I cut around it using a scissors, as you can see. And then I will now lay my fabric and make sure that the colorful side is underneath. And then I iron it and make sure that it's stuck. Then after ironing, I now cut around it, and I was making sure to leave a small space, about 1 centimeter or half a centimeter on the edge. Then I fold that little edge inside, and then I just iron like that. And then now I started doing a tacking stitch. All right round, as close to the edge as possible. And I just did that until I got to the point where I started again. So when you're back where you started, you now pull it like really tight. Then you just pull and pull until it will just start to come together and take shape. And then after that, you now just make sure that you fasten it properly. So that is the shape that. So now I'll now add the jump rings and the hooks, the earring hooks. Then I just use this big needle to pierce the earring. Then I insert the hook and then I close the jump ring. Then I did the same for the other earring. So to close that little gap or that little circle, you can leave it like that, actually it doesn't matter, or you can add a button if you want. You can make a fabric cover button and stick it on there. But I was inspired by a picture that I saw to put a cowrie shell there, so I used some E6000 glue and then I just stuck it on there. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, so and I'll see you in my next video, in my next DIY video. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you clicking on this video today, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants wider. She be money on my place. She looking